Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our trainer will cover TikTok, Clubhouse, caffeine, and house party. So get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right in.
TikTok. TikTok, known in China as Douyin, is a video sharing app owned by ByteDance. TikTok allows you to make short portrait videos mainly about entertainment, from music to dance to comedy. Some use it as a platform for education and awareness. The video length ranges from 15 seconds up to 3 minutes. TikTok content is engaging because it provides cool video editing features and a handful of filters and beauty effects that you can add to your videos. Additionally, you can post-edit your videos to external platforms to add more layers to your content, such as music, text, and themes. If you want to place ads on TikTok, pricing starts at $10 per CPM or cost per 1,000 views, and with a minimum spend of $500 per campaign. So if you're a small business, then TikTok probably isn't the best place to promote your product or service. Here are some statistics. Available over 150 countries. Has 1 billion plus monthly active users. Downloaded 2.6 plus billion times worldwide and over 200 million times in the US. An average user spends about 52 minutes per day, while kids aged 4 to 15 spend around 80 minutes per day. 80% of users are between the ages of 16 to 34. Clubhouse. Clubhouse is an audio-only social media app where users can interact using voice chat rooms that can accommodate up to 5,000 participants. As of now, Clubhouse is an invitation-only app, meaning you can only download the app if you receive an invitation link from an existing user. This audio-only app hosts live discussions that create engagement by participating through speaking and listening. According to Clubhouse guidelines, conversations are not allowed to be recorded, transcribed, reproduced, or shared without permission. If a host decides to end the session, recordings will be quickly discarded. You can create a room for a casual chat with your friends, or join rooms with communities to discuss any topic from sports to tech to world affairs. You name it. You'll get more personalized recommendations when you follow more topics and people in your interest. Here are some of Clubhouse's latest statistics. 8.1 million downloads made on February 15, 2021. Twitter plans to purchase Clubhouse at $4 billion evaluation. Now available on iOS and Android, but can only download with an invite from an existing user. Caffeine. Caffeine is a live streaming social broadcasting platform that provides live, interactive content for gaming, sports, and entertainment. In September 2018, Caffeine secured an astonishing $100 million investment from 21st Century Fox. Unlike other streaming services, Caffeine doesn't contain paid advertising. However, broadcasters or streamers can earn money by cashing out credits. During their stream, viewers can send props. Props are digital goods that are essentially icons or stickers that viewers can send to show their support. These props can be purchased when viewers convert their money into gold, the virtual currency of Caffeine. When a prop is sent during a stream, the receiving broadcaster earns credits. Then, when the minimum amount of credits is reached and other requirements are met, the user can request a cash out for real money. Broadcasters can also have the option of converting their credits for gold to purchase props to use on other broadcasts. House Party. House Party is a face-to-face social networking and video chat app launched by Life On Air Incorporated in 2016. It allows up to 8 people to video chat in a room. Users can create an unlimited number of rooms and easily transfer to each one. When your friends are active on the app, House Party will immediately notify you to join. You can invite new friends by sending an invitation link. You can also link your Facebook and Snapchat and invite your friends there if you want. Inside the room, you can video chat and even play House Party's in-app games. For gamers, House Party also has Fortnite mode, which allows you to cast your party in Fortnite so you can enjoy playing with the company of your friends. During the start of COVID-19 lockdowns, House Party suddenly became popular and made a total of 17 million downloads in March of 2020. This led to them winning the 2020 Webby Award for Breakout of the Year. In the following month, the app ranked first in social networking on the iOS App Store with 50 million downloads.